Hi guys, so I'm making some little really simple butterfly embellishments for some grungy nature themed journals, and I thought I would quickly turn the camera on and show you. I'll show you. This is what they look like on a page. So they're just little pockets actually. So put a little tag or a little piece of paper or something up in there. So all they are, oh, sorry about the echo. I know a lot of people said in my previous video, and some of them went, coo-wee, which, okay, no one will understand unless you're an Aussie. But yeah, my room's echoey because I've just moved down to my new craft room the past couple of days and it's still empty. So it's got wooden floorboards and so there's no furniture in here yet other than my desk and chair. I've moved down a sewing machine, some glue, some paints, a few bits of fabric, and a few little papers. That's it. So it's empty. I've got to haul all my crap down from upstairs and I don't even know where to start. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so yeah, sorry, it's a bit echoey until I fill the room up a bit. Anyway, so what I've used, I've chopped it up already, sorry, but this was just a cover for a music book. It was some hymnals. They were quite big and I've just chopped them up. When I coffee dyed the music paper, I coffee dyed the covers as well, the cardboard covers, and then just chopped them to size. I've rounded the corners so that they then look like this. Oh, I've inked the edges just with some vintage photo. Because it doesn't matter what's on the back either because you're going to glue it down, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, so I've inked the edges with some vintage photo and then I've just put like, I don't know if it's a little cluster or a collage or I don't know what you want to call it, but I think they turn out super cute. And all that I've got on top is, let me get to see, as you can see, I've made like a squillion of them. So I just take my little piece of cardboard and this is just brown paper bag. Can't remember where it came from, but you know, when you can use anything, use like a, I don't know, takeaway bag or the wrapping paper that you get with deliveries or whatever, yeah. But you find brown paper bags everywhere, so I just rip it up. I don't measure, I just kind of go by sight. Just rip that baby up. I get kind of a squarish shape, and then on top of that I've got a lot of this and I've been trying to use it up. This is just a really old curtain that I coffee dyed. And so I've just been using little pieces of this. And I just get a piece and I rip it because I don't want to cut it. I like it kind of scraggly. I just plop some of that down. And I've stamped some book pages with a little butterfly. Isn't he cute? And then I've just, I feel like I need to be quiet because it's so echo in here, but I can make all the noise I want in here because the garage is not attached to the house, so no one can hear me. It's awesome. I love it. So now I can sew at night, all night if I want, on my sewing machine and not have to worry about waking anyone. Anyway, so I just ripped my little butterfly up and I plonk him down on top. And then I've got some, this is actually, let me show you. It's a great big piece of organza green organza, and I think this was a curtain or something by the looks of it. I don't even remember where I got this from. Yeah, I don't think I bought it. It was given to me maybe, I don't know. And then I've just ripped it into shreds, or long thin strips, and I just take a little snip. Again, I don't measure. I fray the edges. Pull off any long strips. Then I just plop that down. Now I've sewn these, but I don't sew it straight onto the cardboard because it's quite thick. And also when you put your tag in the pocket behind, I don't want it to get caught on any threads behind. So I usually sew stuff and then stick it onto the pocket, just glue it on. So this I would just take to my machine. I'm not going to sew because the reason I've actually stopped making them, I had a whole production line going. My bobbin ran out and I can't be bothered going upstairs to get the cotton to wind another bobbin because I haven't brought all my sewing gear down yet except my sewing machine. So it's quite late at night. I'll finish them in the morning. Anyway, so I just plop that on top and then I just straight stitch along both sides, and I leave the strings long so that I end up with this little guy. And I've left the threads on because when I make my grungy journals, I like all these little bits to hang out. And then anyway, when he's sewn, see this brown paper, this was a bit of, actually it was an envelope I got. This one was an envelope. Something was delivered in it. Anyway, so once I've sewn it together, I've just been using some tacky glue or PVA, whatever, just on the back and then stick him on there. And I think they're quite cute. And yes, I make them all the same because that way you can do it like a little production line. You can just churn these babies out. Use whatever you want in the journals you're working on and then put the rest away for like another project, or I don't know, stick them in Happy Mails or whatever you do with them. But yeah, I like to do a whole bunch at once. It's just quicker and easier and you've got all the materials out. Anyway, that's it. I thought I'll quickly show you. And yes, I know I'm telling you how to do it again instead of actually sitting and doing it, but they're really easy. I'll feel stupid if I show you how to make this, but I just thought I'd show you anyway because I think they turn out really cute and completely recycled. Nothing purchased except the ink. All the materials are from, you know, junk basically. Anyway, that's it. And as I do my grungy journals, I'll let you see how they come out. Actually, as I do the grungy journals, I'll show you as I make each embellishment maybe, if I remember. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.